Today I have a tip in which all of you girls would be interested. Everyone likes to have childlike soft skin. So here I have a tip which will help you soften your skin. Curd, oats and multani mitti. So first of all, as we begin with the beauty tip, I will grind the oats in a mixer grinder. You do not need to grind lots of oats. You need to grind only a few because you make the paste and apply it immediately. That is oats powder. 1 spoon of multani mitti and 1 spoon of dahi. Now I'll mix all these 3 ingredients. It has to be a soft paste which could be easily applied on the skin. So here is the paste ready. You can apply it on your skin before taking bath every day and you'll see the difference in a month. It will help you soften your skin.